So we were cleaning out our turkey's house, and we found out that one of them had a stash of eggs. I was just sort of hoping that these eggs were fresh because I'd really like to try them, and we recently just got rid of the turkey, so we're not going to get any more eggs than what we had. To my surprise, all 4 eggs were still fresh and looked and smelled amazing. No rotten eggs at all. So I decided to just scramble them up, super basic. Just eggs, some salt, some pepper, and this will be the first ever turkey egg that I have ever tried or anyone else in our family. So I'm really excited, but also a little skeptical. And this is the moment where I realized that my life was forever changed.